Did you know? Wolves, social animals that thrive in packs.
In the heart of Indonesia's ancient rainforest, where mist dances with morning light, nature's most extraordinary hunters emerge. United as one, the wolf pack navigates their verdant domain with instinctive precision. Under the gentle protection of their guardian, the next generation learns the sacred bonds of family. In the alpha's gaze lies centuries of wild wisdom and unwavering leadership. Through treacherous terrain, they move as one living entity, each step a testament to their unbreakable unity. With grace born of necessity, they master the art of survival in perfect harmony with nature. And as dawn surrenders today, the guardians of the forest return to their eternal dance with the wild.